Imbis na masolve yung problema, lalo mo lang pinalalaki yung problema. Mental toughness is everything in our business. Alam niyo po, to start a business is hard. To sustain is even harder. And to protect is worst. That's all part of it. If you want to be a business owner and you want to be an entrepreneur na gustong mag-succeed sa kanyang buhay at hanap buhay, alam niyo po, you have to be mentally tough. Dapat yung stress, bread and butter mo na yan, kumbaga breakfast mo yan, that you are ready to face anything. Always remember, every problem has a solution. Hindi po pwede na may problemang walang solusyon. At lagi mong tandaan, a problem cannot solve a problem. Do not ignite the problem. Kasi baka i-ignite mo siya, sisindihan mo pa, lalagyan mo pa ng fuel, lalagyan mo pa ng gasolina. Imbes na ma-solve yung problema, lalo mo lang pinalalaki yung problema. Because as business owners, we have to be mentally tough in finding solution to whatever problem we are encountering. If that is our mentality, then we're going to make it big. Regardless of problems, regardless of situations, regardless kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan ng hanap buhay mo ngayon, dapat ganun po ang maging mindset natin. So mental toughness is everything in our business.